Hi, in this video I will show you how to create background in Canva. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's dive into it. So I'm in my projects for the short guides, and as you can see that I have been creating all of my thumbnails in Canva, and I also have created my logo for my channel in Canva. And now I will show you how you can create the background in Canva. So let's start. Click on the Add a New if you are in your projects, or just go to the Create Design and look for size of your project. I will choose the YouTube thumbnail. So yeah, I choose the YouTube thumbnail, and now I am in the Canva editor. As you can see, I have this white workplace where click, once I click on this project, now I have possibility to go to the background section. So click on that. And from this section, you have a possibility to choose from a lot of colors, and you can set up background as you wish, just choosing a lot of colors. And if you want this from the free Canva, you can choose some few colors, but in the premium Canva, as I'm using the Pro Canva, you can use also the Graudient colors. So I will choose for this one video Graudient colors, and then go back up and click on this add a new color, and I have here all my Graudient colors. So I want to add the next one Graudient color, and I will choose the color of this project. Yeah, and this is how you actually can create a simple Canva background using just colors with the Pro version. But if you are not in the Pro version and you want to use Guardian, just go to the elements and search for the end. Okay, no. So choose the background, and you can choose from a lot of actually graphics design, and you can choose any background you wish like. Okay, uh, that's the Pro, and I want to look for free backgrounds. Okay, uh, now I will use this one as my background. You can add some text to this background. Join my channel. Okay, and if you want to use some actually project with background already, which has already some backgrounds, go just to your design and look for some templates, okay? Because I am in the size for my YouTube thumbnails, I will look for actually YouTube thumbnail, but I'm not looking for beauty YouTube thumbnail, but it's just thumbnail. And on the left of your screen, you have possibility to I will add a new page, sorry. I will add a new page for this one project, and I can choose from any background here or from any project here. So I will click this one, and if I want to change the background on this picture, just click on the background on this picture and delete it. And now I can add a new background. So let's say that I will choose something like this one. I can click on this picture and I can set it as background here. Okay, and this is actually how you can change or create your own background. You can look for also from photos. So go to the photos and look for background, and I can choose something like this one. And now I can set it also replace the background. Okay, so this is actually how you can create background in Canva. I hope you have found this video helpful, so please consider to subscribe for the next one.